Ever get this feeling? You look at the clock. 5 minutes ago it was 3 p.m. Now it's 3:05 p.m. Time marched on, right? But what if I told you your watch might be pulling a fast one? Time as we think of it. Seconds ticking by, birthdays coming, the whole shebang might be an illusion. Don't panic, your birthday cake is still real. But how we time, that's where things get seriously cosmic. We think of time like a straight line, past, present, future, all lined up neatly. But imagine instead, all moments, past, present, future, existing, like a giant cosmic photo album, and you can flip to any page, any time. This is what some physicists are suggesting. Time isn't a flowing river, but a vast ocean where every moment coexists. Mind-blowing, right? Think of it like this. You know how a movie reel has all the scenes, but we only see one frame at a time? Time might be similar. All the moments, all the nows, exist simultaneously, but our brains are wired to perceive them one after another. This doesn't mean your memories are fake, it just means they might be existing right now, in another part of this cosmic photo album we call the universe. To get this, we gotta talk Einstein. Yeah, Einstein. He gave us E equals mc squared, but also messed with our understanding of time forever. See, Einstein said time isn't absolute, it's relative. Time is woven together with space, making this fabric we call space-time. And this fabric, it's wobbly. It bends and stretches depending on gravity and speed. Think of a trampoline. That's space-time. You put a bowling ball on it, that's a big planet. It makes a dip. A marble rolling by, that's us tiny humans, will curve around the dip. That's gravity. And the closer you get to something super heavy or super fast, the weirder time gets. It slows down. So, time isn't some rigid ruler, it's more like a bendy, stretchy cosmic quilt. Now imagine taking this wobbly space-time and crumpling it all up. What if, instead of a neat line, time is all jumbled up? What if the past, present, and future are all touching, all tangled up in this cosmic quilt? This is where things get really trippy, and where even physicists start scratching their heads. Einstein's theories got the ball rolling, but then things got even weirder with quantum physics. This is the study of the atoms and the particles they're made of. Turns out, in the quantum world, things don't follow the same rules as our everyday world. Particles can be in multiple places at once. They can even travel backwards in time. One mind-bending idea is called the block universe theory. This theory, embraced by physicists like George Ellis and Sean Carroll, takes Einstein's relativity to the extreme. If time is relative, and all moments are part of this wobbly space-time, then maybe, just maybe, all moments exist equally. The past isn't gone, the future isn't unwritten, they're just elsewhere in the block. This is where our human brains start to short-circuit. We're hardwired to experience time in a linear way, but the universe doesn't care about our human perception. What if our understanding of time is just a limitation of our brains, like how we can only see a tiny sliver of the electromagnetic spectrum? What if the universe is singing a symphony of time and we're only hearing one note? If time as we know it is an illusion, does that mean our lives are meaningless? Not at all. Think of it this way. If a movie character becomes self-aware, does it mean their actions don't matter because they're part of a pre-recorded film? Of course not. Their experiences are still real. The same goes for us. Even if we exist in a giant cosmic photo album or a crumpled-up space-time quilt, our experiences are still real. Our emotions are still valid, and our connections with others still matter. The idea that time might not exist is mind-blowing, challenging, and a little terrifying, but it's also incredibly liberating. It forces us to reconsider our place in the universe and to appreciate the preciousness of every moment. So, the next time you glance at your watch, take a second to ponder. Are you really just watching seconds tick by, or are you catching a glimpse of the grand, timeless dance of the cosmos?